Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the screen timeout at the Redmi Note 10 and Redmi Note 10 Pro. Okay, for that we will need the settings for. So just go to the second page, and at the first point we should have the settings. May have organized the phone already, then just look for the settings app. Okay, so tap on the settings. So then we need to scroll down a bit to the point always on display and lock screen. So here we will need the point sleep, and here you can set up the time to the screen timeout. Basically we have 30 seconds, so if you want you can extend it or you can also reduce it as well. I think you're here to extend it, but don't extend it too much because it takes a lot of energy and that's not so good for the environment. I think you know what I mean. So let's take maybe a maximum 1 minute, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And if you want, you can leave me a nice comment if you want, or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos with some tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.